Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Archiving emails in Apple Mail is the best way to clean your inbox without deleting important messages. When you archive an email, it moves from your main inbox to a dedicated archive folder where it stays safe forever. On a Mac, the easiest way to archive is by selecting an email and clicking the Archive button in the toolbar. This button looks like a small box with a downward arrow. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply highlight the message and press Ctrl, Command, and A at the same time. You can also right-click any email and choose Archive from the drop-down menu. For those using a trackpad, a quick two-finger swipe to the left on the message will reveal the archive option. On an iPhone or iPad, you can swipe left on any email in your list to quickly archive it. If your swipe deletes messages instead, go to your settings to change the swipe action to archive. It is important to know that archiving does not save space on your computer or phone. It only organizes your view so you can focus on new tasks. You can find your archived mail by looking for the Archive mailbox in the sidebar. If you have multiple accounts, each one will have its own archive folder. This process works for iCloud, Gmail, and most other email providers linked to Apple Mail. Using these steps will help you reach Inbox Zero quickly while keeping your records accessible for future reference. Practice these shortcuts today to master your digital workflow and keep your Apple Mail account perfectly clean and organized.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.